Hey everyone, welcome back to Corporate Decoder, the place where we take a look at companies and try to figure out what is really going on. Today we have PennantPark Investment Corporation, and it looks like they've got some news about their upcoming earnings. Let's decode this filing together. Before we dive in, if you like getting clear, no-nonsense breakdowns of important business documents, make sure you subscribe. We also have a Discord channel linked in the description below if you want to chat with other finance enthusiasts. So what we have here is a current report, basically an update from PennantPark Investment Corporation. On the 3rd of October of 2025, they announced that they have scheduled their earnings release for the fourth fiscal quarter. This quarter ended on the 30th of September. It's pretty straightforward. They are just letting everyone know when they will share their financial performance for the last 3 months and the full fiscal year. This part of the filing is all about Regulation FD disclosure. This regulation basically ensures fair disclosure of financial information. When a company releases important news, they have to make sure everyone gets it at the same time. So, a press release was put out announcing this upcoming earnings call. Think of it like a public announcement, so no one investor gets an unfair advantage by hearing the news first. Now, here is a really important bit of legalese. They are stating that this information, including the press release they are attaching, is being furnished, not filed. What's the difference, you ask? Well, when something is filed with the SE, it has more legal weight and can be used against the company in certain situations. By saying it is furnished, they are sort of saying, here is the info, but don't hold us too strictly to it for legal purposes outside of what is required. It is a way to share information without taking on as much risk. It also means this information won't automatically be considered part of other legal filings, unless they specifically say so. Then we have the forward-looking statements section. This is a standard part of most financial reports. It's basically a disclaimer. The company is saying that anything in this report or the attached press release that isn't about past events could be a forward-looking statement. These are essentially predictions about the future. They are warning us that actual results could be very different from these predictions because of various risks and uncertainties. They are not promising that their future plans will definitely happen. They also mention they don't have a duty to update these predictions if things change. It's a crucial reminder to investors that the future is uncertain and these statements are not guarantees. This last section is about the exhibits. What did they attach to this filing? In this case, they attached Exhibit 99.1, which is the press release itself. So all the juicy details about their earnings will be in that press release. They also attached Exhibit 104, which is the cover page interactive data file. This is basically a digital file that helps computers organize and read the important information on the first page of the report. It is like a digital table of contents and summary all rolled into one, making it easier for systems to process. So, to sum up, PennantPark Investment Corporation is letting the world know when they will announce their latest financial results for the quarter ending the 30th of September. This is a standard procedure in the stock market, a way for companies to keep investors informed. The core of what we really want to see, the actual financial numbers, are going to be in that press release mentioned as Exhibit 99.1. Since we don't have the press release content here, we can get into the specifics of their performance like revenue growth or profit margins. But the fact that they are announcing the date means we can look forward to that information very soon. There are no major business changes or leadership shake-ups announced here, just a heads up on financial reporting. Now, looking at this from a broader perspective, PennantPark Investment Corporation operates in the finance sector, likely as a business development company or a similar investment vehicle. Their filings, especially their earnings releases, are key to understanding their investment strategy, the health of their portfolio, and how they are performing in the current economic climate. When that press release comes out, we'll want to look for how their investment income has changed, any new investments they made, and how their existing investments are performing. We'll also be keenly watching for any updates on their dividend policy, as that is often a big focus for investors in these types of companies. The forward-looking statements section is always a good place to get a feel for management's confidence and the potential challenges they foresee. Alright, that is our quick decode of this Form 8K. It's mostly a procedural announcement, but it sets the stage for their upcoming earnings. What are your expectations for PennantPark Investment Corporation? Earnings, let us know in the comments below. If you found this explanation helpful, please give it a like and subscribe for more corporate insights. And don't forget to join our Discord community. The link is in the description. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.